Hey everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Mom, and today I'm in the beautiful island of Maui in the city of Lahaina, and it's pouring down rain right now, but I'm going to show you how to make Hawaiian pineapple chicken thighs using a crock pot. So let's get started. We are making this recipe easy. Instead of making your own sauce, I went ahead and bought some barbecue sauce. I'm using a red pepper, a white onion, some organic chicken thighs, and a fresh pineapple. I am here in Hawaii, so if you do not have fresh pineapple, then go ahead and use crushed or cubed pineapple. And I'm going to put the end of it all on a bed of rice. So here's my rice too. We're going to cook the chicken thighs on both sides for about 3 minutes on both sides before we put them into the crock pot. Pineapple has an acid in it that makes meat tenderized when you cook it for periods of time. So not only does this pineapple give amazing flavor, but it also makes the chicken or any meat or protein that you use more tender. Double bonus. All right, now I'm cutting up my white onion. Onions that are white or yellow onions are cooking onions. Just gonna cut them. I don't need to cut them in small cubes because it's serving as a flavor enhancer. So the chicken thighs I placed on top of the onions and the pineapple and the barbecue sauce. I'm going to put it on high. If you need to go for about 5 hours away from your home, then put it on low setting. But if you need your dinner ready within 3 hours, then go ahead and place it on high setting. And then we are ready to cook it for 3 hours. So I just turned on the rice, and right before, about 20 minutes before the chicken thighs are done, we're going to put in some sliced red pepper. You can use green pepper or yellow pepper. This is going to give a little bit more flavor, but it's not going to get all soggy by being in the crock pot for 3 hours.